In this video, I will tell you how to delete or remove Google Authenticator on Binance. So first, what you need to do is open the Binance app and log into your account. Once you're signed in, the home page will appear. At the top corner, tap on the three lines to open the menu. From there, tap on your profile icon. Now you'll see several options. Tap on security. Wait a moment for the security settings to load. Scroll down until you see the Authenticator app option and tap on it. Here, you'll notice two choices, one for changing it and one for deleting it. To remove it, tap on delete. After that, you'll need to check the boxes to confirm. Binance will notify you that removing Google Authenticator will temporarily block some features such as P2P trading and withdrawals for 24 hours. It will also remind you that in order to remove Google Authenticator, you must already have another security method in place, such as your phone number, email verification, or a fun password. Binance requires at least 2 active security methods for your account protection. Once you've confirmed and accepted these conditions, tap Continue. This will successfully remove Google Authenticator from your Binance account. Thanks for watching.